Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials: VS Code installed, live server extension added, and a project folder with index. HTML and styles. CSS. Open the folder in VS Code so the editor can manage paths. Once done, create the two files and link CSS inside head with rel equals stylesheet. This is key so changes render. Make sure to save files before launching. Use the integrated terminal to run git or npm later. This keeps you inside one tool as you begin. Now you edit deliberately. Use Emmet to expand tags because it cuts repetitive typing and keeps markup consistent. Open CSS in a split editor so you can see HTML and styles side by side. This visual alignment helps you reason about layout. Click Go Live from Live Server to preview. Once done, every save triggers a reload. Make sure to use class names consistently and keep selectors specific to avoid cascade surprises, and take advantage of the problem's pain to catch syntax errors early. Finish by refining styles. Enable format on save, run prettier, and organize CSS with logical sections so future edits are fast. Once done, verify responsiveness using the browser's device toolbar and adjust media queries accordingly. This explains why structure matters. If things go wrong, inspect the console and dev tools to see missing files or syntax errors. Make sure your link href path matches the actual file name. Finally, save. Restart live server if needed, and recheck after each change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.